absorption, also known as absorption costing, is a method of allocating manufacturing costs to products. In business, absorption costing is used to determine the total cost of producing a product by assigning both variable costs and fixed costs to it. Variable costs are expenses that change in direct proportion to the level of production or sales volume. Examples of variable costs in manufacturing include direct materials, direct labor, and variable overhead costs such as utilities or direct production supplies. These costs vary based on the number of units produced or the level of activity. Fixed costs, on the other hand, are expenses that generally change little or not at all, regardless of the level of production or sales volume. Fixed costs include items such as rent, depreciation of equipment, salaries of administrative staff, and insurance. These costs remain constant over a specific period, regardless of changes in production levels. Under variable absorption, both variable costs and fixed costs are included in the cost of a product. This is in contrast to variable costing, which only considers variable costs as part of the product's cost. In variable absorption, fixed costs are distributed or absorbed across the units produced, resulting in a per-unit cost that includes a portion of the fixed costs. The rationale behind variable absorption is that fixed costs are necessary to produce goods or services, and they should be accounted for when determining the total cost of a product. By including fixed costs, businesses aim to achieve a more accurate representation of the true cost of producing each unit. Variable absorption is commonly used for external financial reporting purposes, as it aligns with generally accepted accounting principles, GAAP, and provides a comprehensive view of the costs incurred in manufacturing a product. It is important to note that absorption costing can have an impact on profit calculations, especially if there are significant differences in production volumes or fixed costs between different products or periods. Overall, variable absorption is a method of cost allocation that considers both variable and fixed costs, providing businesses with a holistic view of the total cost of production for each unit of a product. If you found this video helpful, please hit that like button, subscribe and share this video. Thanks for watching.